some important valuable details. Last date for the application is 31st of March 2025 and the examination date is 1st of June 2025. The age limit, the candidate must be born between 2nd of Jan 2013 to 1st of July 2014 guys, okay. Only if you are born between these 2 days you are eligible to attend the examination of June 2025. Let's start the video, okay, come, yeah. First of all the best for the preparation. For more contents like this, kindly follow us, subscribe our channel. So first you have to type what? RIMC, okay, RIMC, and then the first thing which you receive is the official website of RIMC guys. Welcome to RIMC, Rashtriya Indian Military College. Over there if you click this, you will be having this website, RIMC website, okay. This is the commandant over there. Then you see there is a link, click here for the latest news and updates. Online payment for RIMC prospectus and application form for RIMC, okay. You have to click this link, okay. So when you do that, you will be directed to the page where you can see the demand of application form. This is not the application form guys, this is the demand of application form. That means you have to apply for the application form which you will receive from courier. Okay, RIMC will send you the application form to your home. You don't have to worry about the application form. Okay, this is the demand for the application form. Now we are going to do something. We are going to apply for the RIMC application form. Okay, check this out. There is some mandatory information that you have to give, which is your name. You look at the star area. You should not miss. Okay, name, Aadhaar card, category, student contact number, address, country, state, and the other details. Okay, let us start guys. Okay, let us start. This is how we start. Let's take my name, Arvind. Okay, and then contact number 9150 9814 63. Okay, and then you give the Aadhaar card. I'm not giving my Aadhaar card, just giving a random Aadhaar card number. Okay, yes. Look at the address over here. You have to fill the address. Your house address. Okay, you have to fill it. So when you do this, you will be getting the Aadhaar card. You will be getting the application to your house. Okay. Country India, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, okay. You don't have to enter the village. So when you are done with this, you will be having pay and submit button over here at the last. So when you want to reset it, you can give the reset button when you want to change some information. So pay and submit, if I click that, you will be directed to the another page. Okay. Oh yeah, you have to select the category over here. For the general it is 600 rupees, for SC and ST it is 555. Okay. So you will be having the information over here, the payment information through card, debit card, credit card, net banking as well as UPI. Okay, so whichever option is favorite for you or convenient for you, you can go for it. You can afford it. Okay, so when you make the payment, when you are done with the payment, you will be receiving the booklet or the courier, the parcel of RIMC application form. Okay, so we will see that after 14 days.
2 weeks later.
You have to be very careful. You say this one. Nice. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this application form, let me just read out the documents which are required to submit or attach along with this application forms, guys. Okay. So as I said earlier, the the application form has to be filled by the candidate, and these are the documents that has to be attached. First one, guys, the affixed photograph on the application form must be signed by the candidates below the photograph in the box. For say, look at here, in the right side column, top column, this is where you have to paste the photograph, and here you are given a box. So the candidate has to sign inside the box. Okay, that is the first point, first checklist. Second one, 2 additional photographs must be sent along with the application form, duly signed by the candidate on the reverse side. You just take a photograph, and at the back side of the photograph, you see the white side, you have to sign 2 photographs at the back side and then send it with the application forms. Okay, that is point 2, checklist number 2. And then third is copy of your birth certificate duly attested by class 1 gazetted officer. Okay, it could be anybody, but class 1 gazetted officer has to sign your copy of birth certificate, guys. Okay, not the original but the photocopy, xerox. Okay, then fourth one, original school studying certificate with photograph attested by the principal stating the class in which the candidate is studying and the age of the candidate as per school records. Okay, so you have to get a certificate like bona fide from your school, and your principal has to sign there. Along with that signature, the school has to mention your date, the age, as well as the class which you are studying. Okay, that is the fourth checklist. And fifth one, self-addressed envelope with postage of 42 rupees stamp. Okay, this is the one, guys. So this is the one. So you have to paste a stamp over here which is of 42 rupees. Okay, and then you have to write your numbers. 2 address should be yours, your home address, not RIMC, guys. Okay, this small application envelope form you'll be having the admit card in this. Okay, RIMC will send you the admit card in this form stating your address. You have to fill the address, not them. They will not fill the address. Okay, you have to fill the address as well as the stamp. 42 rupees stamp has to be attested in this application, the envelope. Okay, so yeah, so this is the admit card. You will receive this admit card to your house from the RIMC. Okay, the next one, guys, sixth point, copy of domicile certificate of candidate duly attested by class 1 gazetted officer. Okay, so copy of birth certificate, 2 is copy of domicile certificate. Okay, then copy of Aadhaar card, both sides self-attested, which means your Aadhaar card copy has to be submitted. The candidate has to sign the Aadhaar card. Okay, front and back should be present with the Aadhaar card, not just the front part, back side also should be there, and both of the sides has to be signed by the candidate, guys. Okay, so these are the document checklists that we have to have before sending the applications to the concerned public service commissions, guys. Okay, and why do we in what do we send this? This is the final form. Okay, this is the final envelope. You have to get the documents, put all the documents inside this form, and along with the documents you have to send the application, completely filled application inside this form, and then send it. You should not forget this one, guys. This is very, very important. And this is the paper, this is the envelope where RIMC will be sending you the application, the admit card, guys. Okay, yes.